how to connect hosting your domain to GoHighLevel. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So if you want to do it, then I'm going to show you. So first of all, you have to go to this dashboard on your HighLevel. Then here we can see this dashboard option. Simply go over it and then you have to search up for funnels. Simply tap onto funnels, and after clicking onto funnels you can see this gear icon at the top right corner. Simply tap onto that gear icon, and after tapping onto it, here you can see this domains option. Simply tap onto add domain, and after tapping onto add domain you have to paste your domain URL over here, and then you have to tap onto continue. Then after tapping onto continue you have to tap onto authorize domain. Then after tapping onto it you have to enter your domain URL over here again, then tap continue again. Then you have to set up your domain manually by adding the following records. Here you have to enter the informations. Then after tapping onto it you have to go and head over to Hostinger. Then you have to log into Hostinger using your preferred method. For example, I'm gonna log in with this Gmail account over here, so let's keep it and let's go with this one. So let me log in over here to Hostinger. So let's log into Hostinger from here. Wait. So then you have to tap onto websites over here, but not this one. Here you can see domains website like this, then tap onto domain portfolio. Then whether you have to get a new domain or you have to transfer domain if you wish to, then you have to follow the prompts. For example, you have to buy a domain of yourself, then you can just follow the prompts, and that's easy. And as you can see, I have not bought any domain over here, but if you bought a domain, like if you buy a domain, you will see an option over here of your domain, and then here, right here, you can see this edit DNS option. Simply tap onto that edit DNS, copy that, and then go over to your GoHighLevel and then just paste it over there, and that's good to go. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.